It's your turn, at last. Dream job, dream life, a whirlwind of happiness. Even your Prince Charming. Is it paradise? Or a beautiful illusion? On the brink of a pandemic, what is real in our lives? Suddenly, tragedy leaves you with a house full of memories, heartbroken, betrayed, adrift, and alone. The power of friendship fills our hearts. The solace of nature comforts our souls. Is love lost? Is hope gone? Are they just dormant, waiting for the Cicada Spring?